Hi, I'm Robin Kinsey, a business development manager on the heavy duty truck team here at Geotab. And today I have with me Gianni Filazzani, sales manager for Pitstop. Welcome, Gianni.
Hi, Robin. Thanks for having me.
So, what does Pitstop actually do?
Yeah, so at Pitstop, we've built a powerful artificial intelligence powered platform to monitor your fleet and predict vehicle failures before they happen.
But predictive maintenance. Now, so how does that actually save the customer money or time?
Yeah, there's a number of ways predictive maintenance can help save customers time and money. One of those is if you're able to predict a failure before it happens, you can proactively take that vehicle off the road for service so that it doesn't break down out on the road, which could cost you a tow truck, having to still pay the driver, avoiding customer penalties, and improving customer satisfaction. Because no one likes when a delivery or your service vehicle is late for an appointment.
Proactive is always more cost effective than reactive.
Certainly, that's what we believe.
So, what types of data does your platform use to make these types of predictions?
Yeah, so we use a variety of data for our algorithms and our predictions. So one is the trouble codes that come right off of the vehicles. We're able to prioritize those. And then depending on our algorithm, and I'll refer to our data science team if anyone's interested, but we'll use a variety of different features. So things like your battery voltage, your RPMs, your accelerometer data, fluid levels, the speed of the vehicle, the temperature out at the time of a prediction, like all kinds of information goes in to feed the algorithms so that they can be as accurate as possible to tell you when something's about to go wrong.
So, how does the partnership between Pitstop and Geotab work?
Yeah, so there's a lot of value that someone can get by combining Geotab and Pitstop. So Geotab allows Pitstop to get the data we need to run our algorithms. So by combining both of them, you can be proactively monitoring your fleet by a virtual technician who's always looking for potential issues that could affect your uptime.
So, if I'm a fleet and this seems to be very interesting and I want to know more about Pitstop and predictive maintenance, what should I do?
Yeah, we make it extremely simple. We're on the Geotab marketplace. So if you go there and search for Pitstop, you can get in touch with us directly.
Great. Thank you so much for joining me here today, Gianni. If anybody wants to know more information about Pitstop, go watch the Geotab marketplace and search for Pitstop. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.